Gorgeous now tells us that the GCAA has banned all interior shuttle operations following a preliminary analysis of 3 recent aircraft accidents.
The temporary suspension by the Guyana Civil Aviation Authority takes effect today.
The authority had demanded that documented procedures and policies for shuttle operations be submitted to the authority. As a result of the accidents and the authority's preliminary analysis, the authority has now taken the decision to suspend all operations until the documented procedures and policies for shuttle operations are submitted, reviewed, and approved by the inspectors of this authority.
Preliminary analysis of 3 plane crashes over the last 2 months found that each craft was conducting shuttles when they crashed. 2 of those accidents were fatal. The GCAA will increase ramp inspections as an immediate response, Director General Egbert Fields said.
So you'll find that out at Ogle, we have an office which will be populated every day with our inspectors out there. This will put a drain on our small resource, human resource in here, but we consider it a necessary move in order to not only have more surveillance out there, but to show the traveling public that their concerns are being looked after.
Field explained that it is mostly cargo for mining operations that are flown from one point to another in several trips. Shuttle operations have grown rapidly over the years, and a temporary suspension is aimed at regulating this type of operation, Field noted.